welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking pork with clove. Are you ready? Let's go. The first step, I have to mix black pepper, garlic and coriander. Mix. You mix everything. Make a small bong ching, bong ching. You think about your husband and you have power to make it. Today I have pork 1 kilo. I have to put the pork with garlic, coriander and black pepper. Then I put the pork. And I make cooking. I put on the fire. And I have to wait for 14 minutes. ถูกไหม
40.
I have to wait 40 minutes. Okay. When the 40 minutes, I have to put everything in the pork. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, pork powder, salt, and palm sugar. I have to make only half. Okay, and I have to wait 40 minutes again. Okay. After 40 minutes, everything is okay. Now it's finito. Look, you see, beautiful and look delicious and very good smell. Yummy, yummy. Wow. Beautiful, huh?เดี๋ยวค่อยใส่จานแล้วค่อยนี้เวลากิน Okay, time for eating. Soft and sweet and salty a little, but you know it. Pork is very soft and smell it. Very good. นุ่มอร่อย Okay, now I am finished everything. If you like my channel, please subscribe and like and share. And if you want to know everything, you can comment. I don't know what about I want to speak with you because my English is no good, and if you don't understand I have to make a subtitle for you. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ